This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a cute Valentine's Day inspired nail design. And I've already did my prepping and all that stuff, so I will leave links down to videos where I show you all of that. I've already put my nail forms on, and I'm just going to start off with a thin bead of clear acrylic. And today I'm using the Glam and Glitz powder, so I will leave links down to all of these acrylics that I'm going to use in this video. But yeah, I put a thin layer of clear down, and basically this is just like a guide to kind of help me know what shape I want to go for, and it also keeps the form in place. And because I am going to work with some color, I'm just going to put a thin layer on my natural nails because I don't want the acrylic to stain my nails. So it's always just good practice to put a thin layer of clear down. So now I'm going in with my nail bed color, and I forget this color. Yeah, I forgot what color this was, but I'll be sure to put the links down below. But I am going for kind of like a slant. So I'm just going to put the first bead down and then start to work it into the shape that I want it to be. I'm using a size 10 acrylic brush, and it makes it so much easier to kind of form and pull the acrylic where I want it to be. And I try my best to make the shape as close to what I want, but I will be going in after it dries to crispen up the shape with my hand file. So now I'm going in with the cuticle bead, and I'm just trying to be really neat because I hate when I flood the cuticle. So I'm just taking my time. This is the part where I hold my breath to make sure that I get that cuticle just right. So this is after the acrylic has dried, and I'm just going to use my hand file to crispen up that shape. After wiping off the dust, I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous glitter acrylic, and this is also from Glam and Glitz. I don't remember the color, but trust me, I will leave the links down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this right close up to that edge, and just try to make this as neat as possible as well. And once that is dry, I'm going to use the hand file once again to crispen up that line. And then finally, I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous red acrylic and finish off the shape with this. And laying acrylic is like one of my favorite things in life. It's so therapeutic, and I like doing nails with polygel and gel and all the other mediums, but acrylic is my jam. It is my favorite, and I just feel like my true artist self when I use acrylic. So yeah, 2020, I'm gonna be doing more acrylic nail tutorials, getting back to my happy place, so be on the lookout. All right, so for the ring fingernail, I'm just gonna place down my thin layer of clear like I did before. And then I'm gonna go in with that nude color and put that on the nail bed and blend that ever so slightly over the clear. I don't want to take this down too far because I want the tip to stay clear. So yeah, I grabbed a little too much, so that's why I am trying to wipe it off. Get out. Okay. And then, of course, we're going to hold our breath as we place this cuticle bead. And now I'm gonna go in with that glitter acrylic and place that on the tip, just a really thin layer. And I'm also gonna place a bead towards the nail bed area because I want that to be a nice ombre. And while the acrylic is still tacky, I am just gonna place down this heart confetti piece. These are so pretty. It came in a bag of confetti and these were the smallest hearts. So I decided to use these in my look. And once I place those down, I'm just gonna encapsulate them with the clear acrylic. I did find that the red bleeds, so I was trying not to tap on that too much. And as you guys can see, it did kind of bleed some. So I'm just wiping that off of the white heart. So when I'm encapsulating items that tend to bleed, I try to work with drier beads of acrylic because of course we don't want our items to bleed and mess up our nail design. So what I do is kind of just work with a drier bead and then I just kind of pat that in place, trying not to agitate the heart too much so it doesn't bleed. So yeah, I kind of just work in layers. I start off with, you know, a thinner layer of clear, and then I just build up, because if you put too much of it just at one time, this heart and red dye would be all over the place. So of course, when you're encapsulating, you want to make sure that everything is covered. And I'm just going to put some clear over the glitter as well because I want to file in shape without messing up any of this glitter. So once all that is laid, I'm just going to do my shaping and filing and then cleaning around the cuticle area with my nail drill. And now it is bling time. Y'all been missing the bling time. So I'm just gonna apply some builder gel around the cuticle area, and then I'm gonna go over that with the Poochie Snails gel top coat. If you've been rocking with me for a while, then you know this is my absolute favorite gel top coat. I like because it's super glossy, it's thick, and it self-levels, and it hides imperfections. And then before I cure, I'm gonna place the cuticle crystals. And I get questions all the time about this tool that I use. It's called a crystal katana. You can find it at craft stores or on Amazon. I'll be sure to link it down below. And these cuticle crystals are from my website, longhairprettynails.com. Unfortunately, we are out of stock at the moment, but we are working hard on getting the store back stocked up. And now for the most satisfying part of the video. Anybody drooling yet? Because I am. Oh, it is just so mesmerizing. I'm in a trance. So I do my final cure for 60 seconds in my nail lamp, and here's the finished look. I love all the shimmer and the glitter and the bling and the length. Really cute, and I love how these turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will see you in my next one.
This is the outro to the long hair pretty nail show. Yeah.